This is Kenji, a young man working in the city. Every day, he eats lunch in the park near flocks of pigeons. A few weeks later, Kenji developed cough, fever, and headaches. He thought it was just a seasonal cold, and ignored it.
But his condition worsened. Breathlessness, fatigue, and severe headache. His family rushed him to the hospital. Investigations revealed a shocking picture at lung infection and signs of meningitis. Something unusual was spreading through his body.
The physician asked, "Has he been near birds or droppings?" The family recalled his daily lunches in a pigeon-filled park.
The diagnosis: Cryptococcus infection. A fungus from bird droppings had entered his lungs and spread silently to his brain.
With powerful antifungal treatment, Kenji slowly recovered. But not everyone is so lucky.
Cryptococcus may be invisible, but awareness and quick action can protect our communities.
What can we learn from Kenji's story? Bird droppings can carry dangerous fungi. Cryptococcus causes pneumonia and meningitis in vulnerable people. Always tell doctors about environmental exposures. Early diagnosis and antifungal therapy save lives.